In this video, we're going to look at some of the stocks that are up 300% or more in the last 6 months. Interestingly, these are all biotechnology stocks, and just a couple statistics on each one, and then we'll look at some of the charts to see what's going on in them and if there's still any opportunities. A lot of people think if a stock's up a lot, then it can't go any higher, but the same thing could be said if a stock was up 50%, 100%, 150%. Yet these stocks still ran. So Viking Therapeutics, VKTX, 6-month return over 600%, 6-month return, average volume 6.2 million, market cap 8.6, and share price is moving up toward the top of a multi-month triangle. So let's check out that one. You can see it getting squeezed in here. So potentially an interesting setup if it continues to break out there. Avidity Biosciences Inc. RNA is the ticker symbol. Another biotech company, up 6-month returns 380%, 1.1 million average volume, 2.5 million market cap. Prices moved to the highs of a multi-month consolidation. Traders watching for an upside breakout. So let's check out that one. So we can see stuck in this range, and it's moving up toward the top of it. Potential breakout. For any of these stocks, you would want to decide where you're going to put your stop loss, manage your risk, keep it to a small amount. Biotechnology companies prone to having big gaps based on news related to their clinical trials or their treatments. So always keep that in mind when managing your position size and your risk. FUSN Pharmaceuticals up 368%, 2 million average volume, daily average volume 1.8 million, and this is a buyout where they offered AstraZeneca is going to buy them for $21 a share plus a $3 payment based on if they can hit certain benchmarks. So this stock pretty much capped out on what it could make, but trading just above the $21 mark with a little bit more potential if that $3 comes in. So total would be 24. So a little bit of upside left there, maybe up to 10%, but you can see it's trading pretty flat here around 21.50. VERA Therapeutics, Biotech again, 6-month average, 6-month return, 333%, 1 million, 2.5. Stock has been moving sideways since February and is now working back to the top of the range. That was VERA. So working back toward the top of the range, there's a little bit of room left for it to reach the top of the range, and then of course if it can break out again, that would be attractive to investors if it can keep running. And another buyout stock here, ALPN Immune Sciences, Biotech again, 302% return over the last 6 months, 2.2 million average daily volume, 4.2 billion market cap, and the stock trading just below 65. Vertex Pharmaceuticals entered into a deal to acquire them at 65. So if we pull up that one, you can see there's not a lot of room for this one to go, trading pretty much at that buyout price. So really not much left in this one, since if the deal closes at 65, the shares you'd be able to get out at 65, but we are trading pretty much at that price already. But nice uptrend throughout, well before that buyout took place. So those are 5 of the ones that have been really good over the last 6 months. Whether they have more upside to go, that's up for you to decide. Just taking a look at some of these ones that have been really strong over the last 6 months. And when I ran this scan, yeah, they were all biotechs, and some have the pending buyouts, whereas some other ones still maybe have some technical patterns that you could check out as well.